BRS party, BJP party wanted to take undue advantage of Allu's episode. Allu's episode is totally different from film industry. Congress party is the main party. Former Congress Chief Ministers Vengal Rao and Channa Reddy have encouraged film industry. That is the reason why Ramanad Studio and Padmalaya Studio have been established in Hyderabad. Lands were given at cheaper rate. Many facilities were given by the Congress party to the Telugu film industry. People unknowingly, the facts about the attachment between Congress party and film industry are talking about these episodes. They wanted to take undue political advantage. People of Telangana, who really know the story of film industry, for the last 50 years, Congress party is the main party who has been encouraging film industry in Hyderabad. We are nowhere connected with that incident. CM Chief Minister has ordered for stringent action against those who have attacked Allu Arjun's house. Law and order will take its course of action on all equally. It's all baseless rumors and baseless dreams. Telugu cine industry and Congress party have very strong attachment. Since 1972 to 2024, cine industry has been totally supported by the Congress party, and Congress party chief ministers, Jalagam Vengal Rao, late Jalagam Vengal Rao, late Marri Channa Reddy, late Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, late N.T. Ramarao are the main reasons for the Telugu film industry getting established in Hyderabad. It was confined in Madras. Then in 1972, Jalagam Vengal Rao encouraged film industry to come and get settled in Telangana. So there is a strong bonding between Telugu industry and Congress party. No one can break that. Telugu film industry will continue in Hyderabad and Congress party will provide all the facilities.